So we've got a y equals mx plus c question here, where m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept, haven't we? So if we just draw a quick picture of this now, normally we would probably write y is equal to minus 4x plus 7. Maybe that's what you're used to more. We can see the gradient is minus 4 and the y-intercept is 7, which means I can draw a picture of this nice and easily. So let's draw a couple of axes. Mark on 7. Now I've got a negative gradient, so we're going down to the bottom right hand corner of the graph, and we're going down 4, aren't we, for every one we go across. That's what the graph looks like. So if I want anything parallel to that, as long as I keep the gradient to minus 4, then I can write any number I like, and it will be parallel to this line. So 6, 5, 4, 3, minus 1, whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to choose 6. Okay, that line is definitely parallel to that first line. Looking at the second part of this question, we've got to come up with the gradient that links these 2 points together, because then we can find the perpendicular gradient. So let's do that first. If I plot roughly where these points are, I don't have to be very exact, I can be very quick, rough and quick. So along minus 3 and up 1, along 2 and down minus 2. Now what's the gradient? Well, I know the gradient's the rise over the run, so if I draw a quick little triangle like that, I can decide how much I've gone down and how much I've gone along. So it looks to me like I've gone down 3 and I've gone along 5, which means the gradient is minus 3/5. Now, the good thing about finding that gradient is that we can find the perpendicular gradient easy enough. We turn fractions upside down and change the sign. So the perpendicular will be 5/3. Now, they've given us a point in the question. So we've got to put a line that goes through minus 6/4, the gradient of 5/3. And this is where you can use y minus the y coordinate is equal to the gradient x take away the x coordinate. So y take away 4, that's from the y coordinate, is equal to my gradient x take away the x coordinate. That's the easiest way to find the equation of a line, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to multiply through by 3 to get rid of the fraction. 3y minus 12 equals 5 bracket x plus 6 minus minus. Okay. Let's expand those brackets. So we've got 3y minus 12 is equal to 5x plus 30. Now it does ask us in the question to have everything on the x side. So 5 of x minus 3y plus 42, and I believe that's the answer we wanted. Okay. So looking at this, do pause. I really recommend that if you don't know what y take away y1 equals m brackets x minus x1, come and find me and ask me, okay? That will take me 3 or 4 minutes just to explain to you. It's well worth memorising that. It's really, really helpful. And as for the mark scheme, and 5x minus 3y plus 42 equals 0, I think we did okay.